In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your web development process using Lovable AI and Cursor in Chrome. We'll explore how these tools can enhance your design and coding efficiency, ultimately helping you create a stunning, fully functioning web application. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open Lovable AI and Cursor in your Chrome browser. If you've already set them up, you'll know this is as simple as launching your browser and clicking on the respective extensions or tools from your toolbar. Lovable AI is an intuitive platform designed to simplify UI design and the initial stages of setting up your application's logic. While opening these tools, ensure that your browser is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Now, we begin by utilizing Lovable AI for your UI design and logic setup. With Lovable AI, you can start with wireframes or templates that suit your project's aesthetic. This platform offers a wide range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the design elements to match your vision. As you work through the design process, consider how you'll incorporate necessary features and how the user interface will guide users intuitively through your app. Lovable AI excels at not only making visually appealing designs, but also ensuring that the logic behind user interactions is sound and effective. Next on our list is leveraging Cursor for generating code and automating tasks. Cursor is particularly helpful for translating your designs into functional code. With this tool, you can automatically generate code snippets and even entire code blocks, reducing the tediousness of manual coding. Cursor's automation capabilities ensure that repetitive tasks like creating forms or buttons can be done swiftly and accurately. Remember to regularly review the generated code to fit your specific project needs and standards. Once you have the basic layout and logic integrated, it's time to enhance your application with AI-driven features. Modern web applications can benefit greatly from AI integrations, offering functionalities that can range from predictive text to image recognition. Depending on what you're building, think about how these AI capabilities can make your app more user-friendly and responsive. Integrate these features with the Lovable AI suggestions or by writing code that integrates directly with Cursor's output. Now that your app is coming together, it's crucial to test it thoroughly. Testing ensures that everything functions as expected, and that users won't encounter bugs that hinder their experience. Use both automated testing tools and manual testing techniques to cover functionality, design responsiveness, and user experience. This process might take some time, but is invaluable to the overall quality of your project. With testing complete and any necessary tweaks made, the final step is to deploy or export your finished project. If your project is to be hosted online, deployment will involve uploading it to your server or using a service that hosts web applications. If it's meant for a different format,